Right, so just going to do a video about making woks and just pans non-stick, like cast iron pans or carbon steel apparently. So I've already done this a few times. You can add a few layers if you like, and what you do is you just add like a very fine coating of vegetable oil to the wok. I'm using a brush, but you can use like a paper towel or something if you want. And come on. And you just coat the wok completely. And then what you do is you crank up the heat until it like starts to burn. Get off, get off, get off. And so crank it, turn it up as hot as it'll go. You probably want to, you're going to have to keep away from that now. You probably want to open like the window and stuff, just so that, because it gets quite smoky. But I've done this, like I did it a few times just to give it a few coatings, and this like makes a big difference to the, like, just makes it non-stick, like a non-stick pan. I probably got too much oil in there, to be honest, because it shouldn't be pulling up like that. Also, I've seen people do it like when it's hot, which is probably the best way to do it if you've got like a paper towel or something, but this here will start to melt, so I've got too much oil in there. Don't know if it will make much difference though, but yeah, what you want to do is just get it to the point where it's smoking like this. And I don't know what it does to it. It gives it like a coating too, like a layer, stops it from rusting apparently too. And when you do this, it starts to turn like real black, like opposed to this stuff here. So it probably should. Try and get that to do it too. See it's starting to brown at the top there, kind of. See it's starting to brown around the top now, which is good. Pretty good.